Most people get this wrong when choosing a job or plan. They either pay for features they'll never use, or pick the cheapest option and outgrow it within a few months. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best job or plan isn't the most expensive one. It's the one that matches the stage of your business. In this video you'll learn the differences between Jobber Lite, Core, and Connect in 2026, who each plan is designed for, and how to choose the right option without wasting money. Let's answer the biggest question right away. If you're a solo operator, Lite is usually enough. If you're running a small team, Core is often the sweet spot. If you're managing multiple technicians and need advanced collaboration, Connect is usually the better choice. But here's the problem. Most business owners don't actually know what separates these plans in real-world use. Let's start with Lite. Lite is designed for solo service professionals. Think of Alex, a lawn care business owner who handles scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and customer communication himself. Lite gives him the basic tools needed to stay organized without paying for team-focused features. The biggest advantage is simplicity. You get started quickly and keep costs low. Now, here's where it gets interesting. As soon as you hire employees or subcontractors, Lite can start feeling restrictive. This is where many growing businesses hit a wall. That's where Core comes in. Core is often the most practical option for growing companies. Imagine Jake owns a plumbing business with a few technicians. He needs better scheduling, customer management, and team coordination. Core provides more operational flexibility while remaining relatively easy to manage. This is why many small service businesses consider Core the best value plan. In a minute, I'll show you when Connect becomes worth the extra investment. First, let's talk about a common mistake. Many owners upgrade too late. They wait until scheduling becomes chaotic and communication breaks down. Upgrading earlier can actually save time and prevent missed opportunities. Now let's look at Connect. Connect is aimed at businesses with larger teams and more complex operations. Imagine John runs an HVAC company with multiple field technicians. He needs stronger collaboration tools, more advanced workflows, and greater visibility across the entire business. This is where Connect starts to justify its higher cost. The additional features can improve efficiency when multiple people are handling jobs, customers, and scheduling every day. So which plan should you choose? Choose Lite if you're working solo and need essential business management tools. Choose Core if you're growing, adding staff, and need better operational control. Choose Connect if you have a larger team and want advanced collaboration and scaling capabilities. The bottom line is simple. Don't choose based on price alone. Choose based on where your business is today and where you expect it to be in the next 12 months. If this comparison helped you decide, hit the like button, subscribe for more software reviews and business growth guides, and tell us in the comments which jobber plan you're considering for 2026.